What is up, guys? It is Just the Pain back here again with another motovlog video. We got, goodness, forgot his name, Antonio on his KFX 90. We got Brendan on his KFX 450. 400? Oh, okay. And then I got me and my one hundo. Here we go. Yeah! I fixed my throttle, so it's way easier. That jump was sketchy. Oh, let it bog. Let's watch Antonio hit the jump. Good job, Antonio! Oh, that's a little baby jump. I'm trying to, since I got a soft throttle, it's really different. You're following him? Man, we got the Cowie team out here. We got the one Yamaha guy and two Cowies. Sounds like Seattle to me. Got your blue and green. Ooh, yeah. I don't like going that way. The other way is a lot easier. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. I went in neutral and I shifted up. Oh man. Good to get some videos out. Yeah, look at them donuts. So he just got me muddy. Checking the camera. We're good. We're making sure. His little brother just got a nice little quad right here.
Like that donut?
Yeah, I did. Got it on video for you, bud. Antonio's looking pretty good out there hitting them trails, man. Ooh, getting a little cocky.
Yeah.
Oh.
He actually jumped it over here.
Really?
He got like a foot of there.
Nice. You see me? Every time I hit it, my back tire just doesn't want to get off the ground. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Yeah. Hit a little bit of jumps. You can flip it. Yeah. Oh. That's be way too easy to hit jumps on a quad. That's what I think. Ah, fuck. Ah. Fudge, that hurt. Smack my nuts. That thrill, the moment when you hit that jump, oh my goodness. Your adrenaline doesn't go so fast. I'm getting kind of used to hitting them though. Yeah, Antonio? Yeah. Yeah, no, it didn't hurt. He was wondering if it hurt when I hit that jump. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, if you guys support me, please like and subscribe, and until next time, peace!